Hello, I'm Rich. I've had a bad right shoulder for numerous years, going back to when I was a teenager. I worked in the trades and I hurt it lots. And I've been trying to get therapies for probably 35, 40 years to try and help it. And I bumped into this lovely lady here. If I would have known about this 25 years ago, I would have been doing it 25 years ago.
When Rich came in, he has a very sore shoulder. There's lots of stiffness in there as well. His range was limited. Mobility was restricted and restricted functional activities due to that. Slowly we started working on with dry needling and started using Shockwave, and
She
he
enjoyed
started. I do enjoy dry needling him and doing Shockwave, but we see results. His range improved tremendously,
Yes,
and then his pain dropped down significantly, and he's more functional, and he also has a tailored exercise program.
She does really know what she's doing. She does fix pieces and parts of the body, and she's tried numerous things that have all worked. It's taking its time because it's a long injury, and I thank her very much.
Thank you.
Because she's making it much better.